What are the best CPA offers for affiliate marketers? Are you tired of trying to make money through traditional affiliate marketing with little success? Are you looking for a more efficient and profitable way to monetize your online presence? Have you heard of CPA, cost per action, marketing, and wondered if it could be the solution you've been searching for? If you keep watching this video until the end, I have a surprise for you that will help you. Several websites can help you make $300, so keep on watching until the end. Imagine being able to scale your ability to earn a steady income online through a performance-based marketing strategy like CPA marketing. Let me show you how CPA affiliate marketing can help you achieve financial success and how you can find the best CPA offers for your business. CPA affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you are paid for a specific action, such as a lead, sale, or sign-up, rather than just for clicks or impressions. This makes CPA marketing a more efficient and cost-effective way to generate revenue for your business, as you are only paying for results. One of the key benefits of CPA marketing is that it allows you to scale your ability to make money online. With traditional affiliate marketing, you may only earn a commission on a sale if the customer makes a purchase. With CPA marketing, you can earn a commission for a wide range of actions, such as a lead, sign-up, or survey completion, which can provide you with a more consistent and reliable stream of income. To get started with CPA marketing, you need to have a solid understanding of the industry and the best practices for success. Joining top CPA networks and learning from experienced marketers in the industry can help you gain the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. Finding the best CPA offers for your business can be the key to success in CPA marketing. Some of the factors to consider when choosing CPA offers include the commission rate, the target audience, the type of action required, and the competition level. By choosing the right CPA offers and developing a solid strategy for reaching your target audience, you can maximize your earnings and achieve financial success through CPA marketing. To help you find the best CPA offers, consider joining top CPA networks and researching the offers available in your niche. You can also network with other affiliate marketers and get feedback on which offers have been successful for them. Additionally, you can use tools like affiliate marketing forums and blogs to stay up to date on the latest developments in the industry and find new and promising CPA offers to promote. By continuously testing and refining your strategy, you can optimize your results and turn CPA marketing into a scalable and profitable business that provides you with financial freedom and stability. So why wait? Start your journey toward financial success through CPA marketing today. If you're ready to start generating better income and growing your business through CPA marketing, fill out the form or take the survey now to get started, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can receive a notification when I upload a new video with the latest about CPA marketing and how you can participate in a free giveaway. Additionally, a live 15 website where you can make about $300.